In this video, you will learn how to set up your Siteground account. First, go to the Siteground website and click on the Get Started button. There, you can choose a hosting plan. Several hosting plans are available, such as web hosting, cloud hosting, WordPress hosting, and WooCommerce hosting. Pick a plan based off your needs. Then, choose a data center location. Siteground offers different data centers in many different locations. Choose the one that is closest to your target audience for a better site performance. First, if you do not have a domain name, you can register one through Siteground during the sign-up process. Type in your desired domain and check its availability. If you already have an existing domain, you can register another, then skip the registration and use I already have a domain option. Enter your name, email, and other contact information when it asks you to. Then, create and set a strong password for your Siteground account. After that, enter payment details to pay for your hosting plan. Siteground accepts debit card, credit card, PayPal, and other forms of payment methods. After filling your account in and payment details, review your details and make sure it's all correct. Include the domain registration and any add-ons you'd like, such as SSL certification, backups, or email hosting. Once everything looks good, click Pay Now and finalize the setup. After finalizing your purchase, Siteground will send you a confirmation email to your account. Log in to your Siteground account and go to the Siteground login and check that your website is all set up. To set up your website, install WordPress. Siteground offers an easy one-click WordPress installation. In Site Tools, go to WordPress, Install and Manage, then click Install New WordPress. After the installation, you can start customizing your website through your WordPress dashboard. You can choose themes, add plugins, and create new content. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.